Hey guys, I'm here with another product review from for Melanin. This is like before take. I'm just gonna use it. This is Melanin hair care line by Natural85, aka Whitney, or Whitney, aka Natural85 on YouTube or Instagram. By the way, I've been following her for 10 plus years and I'm so excited for her products. So I want to talk to you guys first about how to make a list. I am going to rate this based on packaging, price, shipping. Packaging, price, shipping. I have my notes. Price, shipping, packaging, and the product itself. So I did buy the twisting butter as well as the oil. I'm actually going to I'll go ahead and talk about both. So, I haven't opened it yet. I do have a separate video where I'm doing the unboxing or opening it up, and I will insert that video either at the very end or right now. Look what came in the mail. I'm so excited. Oh, let's see. Cute. Okay. Don't look at my nails. I know they're crusty. Alright. I'll talk about that later. Just want to look at the packaging first. Opening straight up with you guys. Okay. Ooh, this is a big old, juicy right here. This, shoot, hold on now. Zoom in on that. Ooh. Whoa, this is my hand now. Look how big this is. Come on, man. Ooh. 8 ounces and 16 ounces. Okay. So first of all, I'll just talk about what I think about the look itself. It kind of reminds me of Cantu a little bit. Cantu shea butter. Just a little bit. Initially, when you're not like really just, I don't know. I'll have to insert a picture of it. Excuse me. The wording is beautiful. Everything looks good. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it doesn't have one of those sealers, which is fine. It smells like shea butter. Like shea butter, cocoa butter. So it smells good to me. It doesn't have that perfumey smell, which a lot of twisting butters have, and I actually like that because it lets me know that there's not a lot of perfumes and a lot of extra unnecessary chemicals. Yeah, okay, so it's lightweight, kind of thin, not super thick. Yeah, I don't waste nothing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rub that in. We don't waste products over here. Okay, so for now, I mean, it's a yes for me. I am actually getting ready to do a braid out using this. Braid outs aren't my specialty, so I should probably do a twist out instead. But I'm going to do a braid out because I've been wanting to do a braid out for a while. So if my braid out does not turn 100% the way I would like it to be, I'm not going to blame it on this. And I will also do another video when I actually do a twist out, which is my go-to hairstyle. Okay, so looking at the ingredients, everything looks good. I can pretty much pronounce everything. Lots of good stuff. And again, she doesn't have any perfume in the product, which personally I love. If you're big on smells, girl, add your own peppermint oil. You'll be alright. But for me, or for people who don't like a lot of chemicals, it's a yes. How to use a small, use a little, as much needed. Massage styling cream into wet or dry hair, one section at a time, and style as desired using your favorite leave-in conditioner. Another thing I like is she is not saying you have to use this with that with my other product in order for it to work well. She's saying use your favorite. Whatever leave-in conditioner works for you, there you go. Mix it with this. So she has a very cute message on the back. I'm not going to bore you with that. Pretty sure it's on her website. No, all the bad stuff. I'll just go ahead and list it on there right now. There you go. Okay, so this is the Twisting Elongating Style Cream with shea butter and natural oils. Alright, now to the oil. Multi-use pure oil blend. Okay. Multi-use pure oil blend. Detangles, softens, and seals. How to use: a little goes a long way. As a sealant, massage it into wet or damp hair to help seal the moisture into your strands. Can be used before or after your favorite styling cream. You may add it to your favorite conditioner to help detangle. Can also be used as a hot oil treatment, add it to your favorite DIY recipes, or use as a body moisturizer after bathing. That's how you know it's natural. You can put it on your hair and your body. You don't have to buy two different products. Okay, so the ingredients are oils I've used before, a few oils I have never tried. For example, sage oil, I've never tried it. Almond oil, I use every day, all day. So I'm excited. All right. Let's see. Okay, now this one has, I don't know what this is called. Whatever this thing is called. So I took it out, and this thing twists off, which I like. Instead of it, like, you twisting it, and it having a little stopper, you actually just take this bad boy off, and there you have it. Put some in my hand. It smells really good. Really. Now, as far as the shipping, I placed my order February 3rd, and I did not receive it until February 18th. So, keeping in mind, this is a brand new company. Literally, I want to say, came out with her own products in January, maybe December. I'll put it right here when. So, I mean, I'm giving her the benefit of the doubt. And also, I'm very spoiled because I buy everything from Amazon and I have Amazon Prime. So, everything comes in 2 days. So, granted, I'm very spoiled. But at the same time, that's a long time. February 3rd to February 18th. Now, packaging. Packaging was very standard. I'll have that video play if I didn't play it already in the beginning. So, I'll have the video play. So you can see it was just regular packaging, nothing extra, which is fine. I don't necessarily need a bow. The product itself, I'm sorry, I'm actually going to have a part 2 so that way the video is not super long. I'm going to have a part 2 when I actually do my hair in a twist out. The price. Okay, now I'm going to talk to you while I'm pulling it up. Now for me, I am frugal. However, I do spend a penny for stuff that I like. So I'll give you an example. I remember her price point being standard for me because a lot of products that I like, I tend to pay over $10 per item. And for the size, for being 16 ounces, I think that's pretty good. Same with the oil. The oil is 8 ounces. So 8 ounces and 16 ounces. So keeping that in mind. Okay, the styling cream is $16.99. The oil is $17.99. She does have head wraps. She has visors. I would say the price point to me wasn't that steep. I mean, if you're used to paying $8 for a product, then maybe yes. But for me, I mean, I've paid $15, $16 for a product. Also, I feel like you get what you pay for. And that doesn't mean that everybody go up and mark the prices up. I'm just saying, like, some of my favorite products that I use, I paid over $10 for their product. Now, with that being said, that means that can't be my everyday or my go-to product all the time. That means I have to intertwine some cheaper products because, you know, money don't grow on trees. Okay, so now I am going to grade every item 1 through 5 except the product. The product, I'm going to give it a grade based on me feeling it, me smelling it, but not necessarily the styling. You'll have to watch part 2 and I'll let you know what I think as far as how it actually looks in my hair. Okay, so for shipping, 1 through 5, 5 being the greatest, 1 being needs improvement, I'm going to give it a 1. I feel like shipping should be between 5 to 7 days at the most. Maybe 10. Maybe 10. But again, keeping in mind that it's a brand new, this is her first hair care line, you know, but still, you know, that was a long time. Maybe if I would have received an update like, hey, by the way, I'm sorry, but I'm going to give it a 1. Packaging, I'm going to give it a 5. I didn't expect bells and whistles. I didn't expect a little midget to come out of the box dancing like, here's your product, here's your product. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a 5. As far as the product, smell, how it feels, I'm going to give it a 5. I don't need mine to be very thick. I actually like it a little thin, that way my hair doesn't feel so heavy. If you like it thick, you might not like that aspect of it, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a 5. Price, I'm going to give it a 4. It is kind of steep, however, I don't think it's like, oh my gosh, you know. So, overall, you'll have to watch part 2 to see what my final grade on the Melanin, for the longest time I thought it was Melanin, don't judge me. But for the Melanin product, you'll have to watch part 2 of my video when I do my twist out and let you guys know what I think.